Yo, yo, yo! What's up? This Blaze 813. What's up? Y'all already know I'm the fastest kid in the world.
You know this shit go crazy. Yeah. She met when I was thuggin', now she loving loving. Her ex was talking shit, she had me wanna bust it. She cheated on me once, now I can never trust her.
And I'm gonna show you I'm the strongest kid in the world.
She say he only ate her, do I look like a
Y'all already know I pushed that car and I got 20 million views.
only take my L's when I be betting.
I see people trying to do what I did. Now I'm gonna turn it up a little.
Play hooky. Yeah. You telling all of my business like a talking pillow. If she turned into a art, then I might have to kill her.
Yeah, let's go. See one for the push?
She took a nigga soul like Michael Jackson, telling all of my business like a talking pillow. Yeah, I treated her good and I can't even lie.
Wrong way.
I had 3
Think you gonna be able to push that?
No.
For real?
About your looks, I care about
Yeah.
your vibe. Now I'm looking in
Do
your
look
eyes,
big.
all I see is lies. You cheated on me once, can't let you cheat twice.
You gonna push it?
Stay, but I'm not that type of guy. I keep
What you think?
it G, I'm player, no, don't do no cuffing. I guess I played myself, should listen to my cousin. Shawty made me sick, I need some Robitussin. She want all of my attention like she David Ruffin. Telling all of my business like a talking pillow. If she turned into a art, then I might have to kill her.
Yeah, trash in the truck. He's not stronger than me.
So you can push the truck?
Yes. I can push this car too. Rock push. This car is that car. And now y'all see, nobody's in the car. The last video, y'all keep saying, somebody's in the car, somebody's in the car. Now y'all see nobody's in the car. Yeah, push him back. Yo, let's push him back. Whew. Y'all see that? Once again, nobody's in the car. Yeah. This time, I'm gonna do it on my brother. Let's see what's gonna happen. Think we gonna push him away? Yes.
Let's get it. Let's go.
Yo. Yo.
Should say runway? No. Let's go. Okay.
You seen what we just did, right? We pushed it all the way to that mailbox. Yo.
Yo, fuck.